Hello, good morning. My name is Isnatriana, and now I will talk about the beneficial uses of water hyacinth. Certain aquatic weeds can negatively impact the environment as well as the livelihood of humans. Among common aquatic weeds, Eichhornia crassipes or water hyacinth remains the most widely distributed and vicious aquatic weeds. Water hyacinth has become the world's most invasive weed due to its rapid spread, ecological adaptability, and negative impacts it causes on the environment, economic development, and human health. Water hyacinth derives its origin from the Amazonia basin in South America and holds the reputation of being one of the most strenuous water weeds to manage. Nevertheless, the plant can be exploited for a variety of beneficial uses. Bioremediation, in this case phytoremediation. Phytoremediation can be defined as a set of methods that uses plants for cleaning up soil or water so that either is free from both organic and inorganic impurities. Several researchers have indicated that water hyacinth, under controlled growth conditions, is an efficient and economical substitute to conventional cleanup methods as it speeds up the extraction and absorption of industrial and agricultural effluents contaminated with organic, inorganic, and toxic metals. Vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is the process of using earthworms to transform organic biomass into nutrient-rich compost that mainly comprises earthworms with a mixture of decomposed organic matter. The resulting compost functions as a eutrophic natural manure and soil stimulant. Vermicompost is obtained when organic waste decomposes by microbes in the digestive tracts of earthworms. Water hyacinth has been found to be a very good vermicomposting raw material. Compost production. Composting remains among the most efficient methods of producing biofertilizers from water hyacinth. The presence of inorganic compounds such as nitrogen and phosphorus in the roots of the plant makes it an appropriate raw material for inorganic fertilizers and compost manufacture. Composting can also help to largely reduce the application of chemical fertilizers on agricultural fields, thus providing an eco-friendly agricultural approach. Fish feed. Fish have different feeding habits and some species such as tilapia and grass carp can feed on several aquatic plants. Hence, water hyacinth can be used as a raw material in formulating fish feed. This may increase the crude protein level of the feed due to the high protein content in the leaves and roots of the plant and possibly in digesting the feed better. Animal feed production. The dry matter of water hyacinth contains high protein and mineral content, making it a useful source of animal feed and roughage. The presence of some important phytochemicals such as alkaloids and saponins has been reported in water hyacinth, suggesting that they can be considered as good feed supplement. Biofuel production. Biofuels are any energy-enriched chemicals that are produced by biological means or derived when the biomass of one's living organism is chemically converted. The low lignin content present in water hyacinth makes the plant a great choice when sourcing for biomass, as cellulose and hemicellulose are converted with ease to sugar that is fermentable, resulting in great quantities of biomass that can be exploited in the biofuel industry. Biogas production. Biogas is the product of fermentation of organic materials in the absence of oxygen using microorganisms. Water hyacinth can be useful in the production of biogas because it possesses a high amount of hemicellulose contents. Attention is now being drawn toward the production of biogas as a source of fuel due to its cleanliness and cost. Medicinal functions. Water hyacinth is reported to have anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial functions. Furthermore, it can be used as a hair fragrance to treat cholera, sore throat, and snake bites. Pandy et al. Reported that the roots, leaves, and flowers of water hyacinth have been scientifically tested to contain chemical constituents that are able to cure ailments. Potential rural socio-economic benefits. Ropes and yarn can be made from the stem of water hyacinth. This can be processed further into baskets, hats, mud, and even furniture. Inhabitants of communities occurring around water bodies where this plant grows can begin to process the plant into useful products for income. Conclusion: the water horizon can impact the health of aquatic ecosystems and the safety of the water environment, thereby causing significant potential ecological and environmental risks. Nevertheless, the plant can be exploited for a variety of beneficial uses. The plant's biomass is useful for bioremediation and bioaccumulation of hazardous pollutants and metals, for production of biogas and biofuel, as a source of feed for fishes and animals, as a carbon source for microbial metabolism in vermicomposting and compost production, and in medical and several other essential aspects. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.